I am pain. I am sick.
Clear the way! Wooden soldiers coming through! Hurry!
Oh my God.
Medic! We need help over here! Hey you, soldier! Get over there and help them! Me? Yes, you. Now stand up on your feet and help them! Hurry! Okay, sir.
But sir, we don't have enough supply.
This is a war, soldier. We must be tough.
I think you need to call a backup, sir.
I'll try.
Oh, good morning, Miss Florence.
Good morning.
How do you do?
I'm fine, thank you.
Off to visit your sick maid Mary, I guess?
Yes.
How is she?
Oh, she'll be fine. Proper care and a clear surrounding are all she needs so that she could fully recover.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, Miss Florence. Take care. God bless.
Okay.
Good morning, Miss Nightingale.
Good morning, Miss Nightingale. Good morning.
Has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps,
Hi, Lucy.
you'll learn things you never knew.
Oh,
you
Miss
never-
Florence, what are you doing here? Your fire will surely get mud if it sees you here.
Don't worry, I won't stay long. I just want to know the condition of your mother.
Well, all right. He's over there.
Mary, it's me, Florence. How do you feel? She doesn't look good. Does she? No. We have to bring her to the hospital. Oh no! That is a place to die. What are you talking about? They have nurses and medicines there. You've never been to the hospital before, have you? When your family gets sick, Miss Florence, they are cared for at home. The best doctors come to visit. The patients pack together. And sometimes the nurses pushes the patient. And they take a nap. I'm sure that's not true. But it is!
Florence? Florence!
Father!
Florence, let's go!
But Father, these people work for you.
And I take care of them the best I can.
But they're sick, Papa.
It's none of your concern. Your place is with us, at home, not here in mid filthy and disease. Is that understood, Florence?
Yes, Papa.
Oh, Florence? I don't think so.
William, let's speak with you. Here comes Nightingale.
What is it?
He tried to post Florence and she turned him down.
Oh, someone saw her in downtown as well.
You are a stubborn and ungrateful child, you know.
Perhaps I will marry someday. But to do so now, that would be suicide. I would be killing the life God meant me to lead.
I suppose you're too good to run a household.
I didn't say that, Mama.
For the last time, Florence.
Please, Father. No more threats. I've been offered a job as superintendent in a hospital in London.
What? I can't let you leave. You can't, Florence.
I'm 33 years old, Father.
Well, it's an ugly bunch of suffering brutes, that's for sure. About 200.
200? Blast it. Don't they teach the soldiers how to dodge bullets?
Only a couple of them are wounded. The others have the sickness, cholera.
Cholera? Very well. Then take them to the hospital, Dr. Fox.
You can take them to the hospital, sir. It's already overcrowded. Can the British Army find another house to place the sick and wounded?
Who are you?
William Howard Russell, special correspondent from the London Times. Mr. Holt, sir, the English people deserve the truth.
Then give it to them. The army is winning.